Becoming an AI product manager is not about learning every technical concept overnight. It is about building the right mix of product judgment, AI awareness, business thinking, and practical execution. The next 90 days can be treated like a focused career sprint. First, understand how AI products are different from regular software products. Then learn how users, data, models, risks, and business outcomes connect. Finally, create proof of work that shows you can solve real problems, not just talk about tools. The goal is simple: move from curiosity to capability, and from capability to career readiness. AI products sit between two worlds. On one side, there is technology, large language models, RAG, embeddings, and AI agents. On the other side, there is business, user adoption, revenue impact, trust, and measurable outcomes. A product manager becomes valuable when they can connect both sides clearly. A smart demo alone is not enough. People must understand it, trust it, and see how it improves their work. That is why organizations need AI product architects, not only engineers. The real skill is turning technical possibility into business value. An AI product manager sits at the center of 4 critical areas. First, the user problem: what people are trying to achieve, where they struggle, and what they expect. Second, AI technology: what models can do, where they fail, and how prompts or RAG can help. Third, data strategy: which sources are reliable, private, and useful. Fourth, business metrics: activation, retention, ROI, and trust. The role is not to build models in isolation. The role is to ensure that AI products are useful, reliable, measurable, and aligned with strategy. Traditional product management asks, what problem should we solve and why? AI product management goes one step further and asks, should this problem even be solved with AI? And how reliable must the answer be? That difference changes everything. A regular roadmap is no longer enough. AI products also need evaluation plans, risk controls, privacy thinking, and quality metrics. Poor adoption is still a concern, but now hallucination, bias, and trust also matter. The AI PM must work across design, engineering, data science, machine learning, and governance to build products people can actually depend on. One common misunderstanding is that every AI product manager must become a production-level machine learning engineer. That is not true. The goal is not to write raw Python, train foundation models, or manage infrastructure. The goal is technical fluency. An AI PM should understand APIs, databases, LLMs, RAG, embeddings, and system architecture well enough to discuss feasibility, cost, speed, and risk with engineers. They should also be able to build small proof-of-concept prototypes using no-code tools or AI assistants. Production coding is optional. Product judgment and technical communication are not. The skill stack starts with product thinking, user personas, jobs to be done, MVPs, and prioritization. Once that base is clear, AI fundamentals come next: LLMs, prompting, RAG, embeddings, agents, and model limitations. Then come metrics and analytics, including activation, hallucination rates, time saved, and user satisfaction. After that, communication becomes critical, because AI PMs must explain trade-offs to both business and technical teams. At the top is responsible AI awareness: trust, safety, privacy, bias, and human-in-the-loop design. You do not need to master everything immediately. You need enough understanding to make sound decisions. A 90-day plan works best when it is divided into 3 focused phases. Month 1 is about foundations: product thinking, AI concepts, technology basics, and metrics. The milestone is to analyze an existing AI product and understand who uses it, where it fails, and which metrics define success. Month 2 is proof of work. Build a simple AI prototype and document what worked, what failed, and why the problem matters. Month 3 is market readiness. Create a portfolio, prepare for interviews, study target companies, and suggest one practical improvement to an AI feature before reaching out. A strong portfolio does not say, "I built a chatbot." That is too generic. A strong portfolio explains the user problem, the AI solution, the success metric, the risk, and the fallback plan. For example, study bottlenecks can become a notes to revision assistant. Generic job applications can become a measurable resume optimizer. High support ticket volume can become an FAQ chatbot with escalation triggers. Enterprise knowledge silos can become a document Q&A assistant using RAG. The point is not to build something flashy. The point is to show structured thinking, business relevance, and responsible AI execution. AI PM interviews usually test thinking under pressure. The first area is product sense, identifying users, defining goals, and suggesting practical solutions. The second area is technical trade-offs, choosing between approaches like RAG and fine-tuning, and explaining the reasoning clearly. The third area is AI risk management, handling incorrect answers, reducing hallucinations, and designing trust mechanisms. A simple answer structure works well. Clarify the user, define the goal, identify constraints, suggest the solution, and define the metrics. Interviewers are not only checking knowledge, they are checking how clearly you think. The strongest AI product managers follow a repeatable value loop. They begin by identifying the right user problem. Then they choose the right AI approach, such as LLMs, RAG, automation, or agents. After that, they reduce risk by thinking about trust, hallucination, privacy, and human escalation. Finally, they measure value using product and AI quality metrics. Professionals who stand out will not be the ones who merely use AI tools. They will be the ones who can identify the right problem, apply AI responsibly, and prove the outcome. That is the real path to becoming AI ready.